Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up MyFitnessPal for beginners. So let's get started with the video. Launch the application, download the particular application, and then you have to create an account. So here you can sign up for free if you haven't created yet, and if you're already an user, you can click on login. So basically when you will log in or sign in, here you have to set your particular goal over here. So here it will ask you what you want to set up for. Since you want to lose the weight, you can here choose lose weight and then click on next. Then it will ask you few questions regarding to losing the weight. For example, the first one is in the past, what have been your barriers to losing weight? You can choose the particular option over here, whichever you want to choose. You can choose the multiple options as well. Choose any and then click on next. So basically after answering all the questions here, you have to input your details like what is your age, weight, height, activity level and weight goals. So after entering all this, just click on next and sign up to the MyFitnessPal application. So basically once you have signed in MyFitnessPal, it will calculate your daily calorie goal based on your weight loss target, and you can also adjust that if needed using the TDE calculator for a more accurate estimate. After that, click on next. So here the next step will be to track your food intake. You have to log everything you eat and drink. So here you can click on this plus icon basically, and after that you have to click on log foods. So once you click on log foods, here you have to be specific about the food that you have taken. The large food database where you can search for items or scan. You can also search for a particular item here. Measure the portion size correctly. For example, if you have taken roti, you can just click on this plus icon. You have taken it in breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. You can choose that as well. And that food will particularly get logged. The next step would be to monitor your exercise. So you have to log your workouts manually, or you can sync it with any of the fitness apps you want to. For example, Apple Health, you can click on this plus icon. You will see on the exercise and you can then choose a particular type of exercise that you did, and you can track that exercise here. You can click on create an exercise. You can add the description, how many sets you have done, what weight you have taken, and how many calories are burned. That will be calculated by the application itself. And then you can click on the save icon at the upper right side. So the next feature is basically that is here is to weight yourself regularly and log it in the app. Here you will see a weight icon. You need to click on this plus weight icon, and what is your weight for that particular date. You have to weigh it and write it here. Here you will see another thing, that is progress photo. So you have to take a photo and your measurements like waist, hips, etc. You can just add the photo over here and then click on the right icon at the upper right side. And you have to make your adjustment as needed. For example, if you lost some of the weight, you can adjust the portion sizes or increase the activity. Just ensure that you are not under eating, which can slow your metabolism and cause the fatigue in you. It will cause the weakness. You can also join the community for any kind of motivation. Here you will see the community option over here. You can click on this community and you can connect with your friends for accountability, and for any kind of support or advice you can join the communities over here that are here for the weight loss. Here you can also track your sleep, all the recipes you can get here to lose your weight, all the workouts you can here get. If you have to sync up or if you have to link any kind of app or device to track your fitness, you can also click here and do that. If you want any support from your friends, you can just invite them and request them if you are using the same application, and then you can work out together. You can see the progress of them as well. This is how you can set up MyFitnessPal for beginners. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.